on gold, I just left gold for a while now. I left gold for a while now. So on gold, I don't really see any serious movement on gold these days. And then what I could say on gold now is look at it here. 1 hour time frame, right? Yes. So we are on 1 hour time frame now. So look at what I'm seeing on gold. Mm. If gold can return back to this place again, if gold can return, if gold can return back to this place again, we'll follow it to here, to this level. You understand? Or let me just say to this. Let's divide this massive bearish engulfing candle. We'll follow it. We'll follow it to that level. Let me divide this engulfing candle, this massive engulfing candle, so that we will know where our TP should be. We'll know where our TP should be. Because if you are not too careful these days, gold will liquidate you. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing on gold. This is what I'm seeing on gold. You get? But I'm not gonna trade gold. I'm already in on that trade, so no need to trade any pair again. I'm okay with that one. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. By the grace of God, today is waiting. Today is Friday. By the grace of God, we'll end this week in profit. By the grace of God, we'll end this week in profit. But I don't think this thing can return back down again before reaching our TP. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Another to explain something concerning um gold. You understand? So um this year gold has been making higher height, forming new highs every week, every month. You understand? But the December time, gold tends to. I was thinking that okay, if gold start making this type of move, then gold is going to hit something like um 4,500, 5,000 this year. You understand? Which is not even like we are close to it already. You get? But what happened? When we reach December time, gold stop that. You understand? And then almost, let me just say, on daily time frame now, we are seeing double top here. It has already give us a reversal pattern, double top here. You understand? It has already give us a reversal pattern, double top on daily time frame. So what I was currently seeing that time is gold is going to break this high and start going. But when we start approaching December, and then um um market change the structure. You understand? Why this type of change? The reason this type of change happen is because as we are approaching December, plenty big institutions and banks that is moving the market, that is trading with billions of dollars, that is moving the market, they are all going for holidays, rounding up yearly interest of their income, and then tidying up their what dem did throughout the year, their analysis throughout the year, their calculations, everything. They are doing everything to put everything in together and having a new plan against next year, which is 2026. You understand? So as it happens like that, everything start changing in everything start changing in the market. You understand? So everything start changing in the market, and then NFP stop. When we are expecting NFP, is it November something something? November. We are expecting NFP November. Due to shut is it government shutdown or something in US. Yeah, NFP they did not release NFP, you understand. That is first one that affecting the market. NFP is not released, you understand. The NFP is the strongest. NFP and Fred, they are the strongest, or strongest of all the news. NFP is very volatile, followed by Fred, then after Fred followed by what? CPI and other follows, you understand. Those are three major fundamental that are very volatile, and NFP is number first, you understand. So they did not give us NFP, you understand. So first dem told us that the news came that due to US government shutdown, this that they are going to release it in the next Friday. Dat next Friday came, they still postpone it again. Then later, nothing, we not even hear any good news about it again, you understand. So this December, I think there is NFP or something, but the news is not as strong as it is before, you understand. So it has start changing since then, you understand. That is the reason why we did not this is where I was predicting it to reach this year before, but due to the holidays that is coming fast approaching, everything change, you understand. And then I stopped trading gold for a while now, following BTC only. And then before I could continue this video again, I just want us to I just want us to look at something together. I explained this thing earlier, last Friday. I explained this thing earlier last Friday, saying that this is what we are going to do and what we are going to follow if anybody wants to trade gold. But that time I'm currently that time I'm on I have an open position on BTC already. So for me to be on the safer side, I did not trade gold again, but it activated us. Look at where the market was before I was analyzing the whole thing and be telling you guys that anybody at all that want to trade this pair should be very active and be watchful. Market was around this place before then, and I'm saying that is high already, is going up already. So if we see any push to the downside, then we are going to follow it to the upside, you understand. And this is my reason, this trend line, because this is first touch at this place, first touch, second touch at that zone, third touch at the zone again, then this is fourth touch, and the market start going up. Then I now say that if we see any pullback again, then we will now enter to the upside. Then I mark 50% level of this massive bearish engulfing candle, you understand. Massive bearish engulfing candle, so that we will know where our TP should be, you understand. I mark it out so that we will know where our TP should be, and this is my reasons. When I mark it out, I draw I draw this line, you understand, for to mark to get 50% level of it. And then when it reach 50% level of it, immediately it hit our TP. Then after that, give us engulfing candle in 1 hour again and start shooting down before market close, you understand. So trading gold this time is not too advisable for beginners, you understand, except those experienced traders. Trading gold this time is not advisable for beginners except those experienced traders, like those people that have been trading for years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years or more, you get. Because what gold is doing now, if you are not, apart from technical analysis, if you are not wise enough, gold will go against your plan, you understand. That is just all the explanation I want to give you guys before we call it a day, and that is just all for now. And then if you have to tell me to predict the next move of gold, it will be when maybe gold will, if it can return back, because it has already give us engulfing candle at this place in 1 hour. So if it can return back to this place, we'll now be looking for buy opportunity, this place, this trend line and this horizontal line. And if it hit us out, then we'll now be looking for opportunity for buy at this level. You understand? That is all I can say for now. That is all I can say for now, because look at what happened. It respect is making use of this trend line. Is making use of this trend line. You understand? Then 50% level of this engulfing candle in 1 hour time frame. 50% level of this engulfing candle in 1 hour time frame. So, and it has already give us engulfing candle on this. So what we'll be expecting now is to just wait for it to reach this level. Then we'll now follow it to the upside. And if it hit us out, then this should be the next level we should be expecting a buy from. And that is all for now. You understand? And remember, this week is Xmas week. You understand? So there are no much in the market this week. But I have already said something concerning BTC. You understand? So we'll be trading BTC as we are enjoying the Xmas period. And then that is just all I can, you know, let you guys know for now. All the best. Bye.